In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export QuickBooks data effectively and efficiently, whether you're looking to create backups, prepare reports, or just need to analyze your financial data outside of QuickBooks. Mastering the export process is essential. And the best part, we'll cover everything you need to know in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into it. The first step is to navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This step is crucial because accessing your QuickBooks data requires you to be logged into your account. It ensures that your financial information is secure and only accessible to authorized users. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to type in your email and password. This information is what you used when you created your QuickBooks account, or what has been provided to you by your organization's administrator if you are not the primary account holder. Make sure you enter this information accurately to avoid any login issues. Following a successful sign-in, navigate to the settings. In QuickBooks Online, the settings can usually be found in the upper right corner, represented by a gear icon. This area of QuickBooks is like the control center. It allows you to manage your account details, set up your preferences, and crucially for us today, access the data export feature. Once in settings, look for the option labeled Export Data. This is where QuickBooks has centralized all the tools you need to move your data outside of the platform. Clicking on this will bring you to a new page where QuickBooks provides a detailed overview of what data can be exported and how. At this point, you'll see a variety of data types listed, each with a toggle switch next to it. This thoughtful design allows you to select exactly what data you want to export. Are you looking to analyze your financial transactions in detail, or perhaps you need a broader overview such as all data related to your customers and vendors? Whatever your need, carefully select the data types relevant to your requirement by toggling them on. Now for the final step, exporting your selected data to Excel. QuickBooks offers a seamless transition to Excel, a widely used tool for data analysis and reporting. Once you've selected all the data you wish to export, simply click on the Export to Excel button. Depending on the amount of data and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once the process is completed, QuickBooks will provide you with an Excel file. This file will contain all the data you have selected, neatly organized and ready for your analysis, reporting, or any other process you have in mind. Exporting data from QuickBooks might seem like a stringent process, but it offers a lot of flexibility in handling your financial information. Remember, the specific steps can vary slightly depending on the version of QuickBooks you are using, but the overall process remains quite similar. Here are a few tips to make your data export process even smoother. Regularly export your data to ensure you have up-to-date backups. Carefully review your exported data for accuracy and completeness. Use the export feature to create custom reports by combining QuickBooks data with functionalities in Excel. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to export data from QuickBooks to Excel all in under 5 minutes. This straightforward process not only secures your financial data, but also opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis and financial reporting outside of QuickBooks. Armed with this knowledge, you can now confidently manage your data in a way that suits your business needs best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting with QuickBooks, there's always something new to learn. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.